Nik Collection 8 by DxO is the latest edition of over 30 years of development of the incredibly powerful Creative Plugin Suite. And while they're called plugins, the truth is that each member of the collection is actually a standalone application that can operate completely on its own or as a traditional plugin. Color Efex is the ultimate tool for creative color work. If you can imagine it, you can create it. And if you can't imagine it, the collection of presets will get you started. Silver Efex is considered the premier black and white conversion tool, inspired by the darkroom, with authentic film stock reproductions, incomparable tonal control, gorgeous film grain representations, and even the Ansel Adams zone system built right in. The collection includes analog effects, an immensely fun tool for giving your photos an authentic, creative, old school, or new school film type look. HDR Efex is a wonderful tool for intricate HDR compositions with extremely granular control to make your images as realistic or as fantastic as you'd like. Viveza provides beautiful tonal control. Define gives you localized noise reduction, primarily when working with non-raw images. And the Nik pre-sharpener and sharpener output tools give you absolute control over image sharpening. All of these tools are available no matter what image editing software you use. If you're a Lightroom Classic, DxO PhotoLab, Affinity Photo, or Adobe Photoshop user, the suite exists as plugins so you can seamlessly move between the host app and the Nik collection. If you're using an alternative app, you can always export a photo and simply open it directly in whatever Nik tool you want. The ultimate experience, though, is if you're a Photoshop user. For not only can you take advantage of a totally non-destructive workflow using Photoshop Smart Objects, but with this latest version of the Nik collection, you can now seamlessly transfer masks between Photoshop and the Nik plugins, meaning you can use Photoshop's impressive AI masking tools to select a subject, then use Nik's tools to edit it. And when you build an awesome mask in Nik and want to use that in Photoshop, you can even do that too. Unique effects like clear view and pro contrast help you find details in your images you never knew existed. And the control points, what Nik is most known for, provide unparalleled masking abilities to ensure you're affecting only the portion, the colors, or even the tonal range of your photo that you want to. Join me over the next several videos for a taste of what you can do with Nik Collection 8.